How to enable floating notification on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guided studio. So here is the step-by-step guide of how you can enable the floating notification on any Samsung Galaxy phone. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to enable floating notification, you just need to go and open up the settings app from your Samsung phone, and from the settings you just need to scroll down a little bit and then simply go and tap on notifications, and inside the notifications you'll get to see the advanced settings. Just go ahead and tap on advanced settings. Inside this you'll get to see the floating notifications. It's currently turned off. You just need to go ahead and tap on these and you'll get to see two different options, bubbles and a smart pop-up view. So you can go and select one of these. So this is the bubble one, so you'll get to see the preview like this, and also you can select a smart pop-up view. So bubbles is pretty good for me, so I'm going to select that, and once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. Your floating notification has been enabled. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.